In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Microsoft SharePoint to DocuSign step by step. If you want to automatically store, access, and manage your signed documents inside SharePoint, this integration makes the entire process seamless and much more efficient. Whether you're managing contracts, agreements, or internal documents, connecting SharePoint to DocuSign will save you time and reduce manual uploads. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to DocuSign. You'll want to sign into your DocuSign account using your administrator credentials. This is important because only admins have access to the integration and connection settings. Once you're logged in and on your main dashboard, we can move to the next step. At the top of the screen, click on Admin. This will take you to the DocuSign admin dashboard, where you can manage account-level settings, integrations, permissions, and connected apps. If you don't see the admin option, double-check that you're logged in with the correct account that has admin privileges. Inside the admin dashboard, look for the option called Connections. Click on Connections to open the Integrations area. This section allows you to connect DocuSign with external apps like CRMs, cloud storage platforms, and other business tools, including Microsoft SharePoint. Once you're inside the Connections section, click on Connect New App. This button allows you to add a new integration to your DocuSign account. After clicking it, you'll see a list of available applications that can be connected. From the list of apps, find and click on Microsoft SharePoint. Make sure you select the official Microsoft SharePoint integration. This ensures proper authentication and secure document transfers between DocuSign and your SharePoint environment. Next, you'll be prompted to type a name for the connection. This can be anything descriptive, such as SharePoint integration or HR document storage. Choosing a clear name is helpful if you plan to create multiple integrations in the future. Enter your preferred name in the field provided. After naming the connection, click on Login to App. This will redirect you to Microsoft's login page. Here, sign in using the Microsoft account that has access to your SharePoint site. Make sure this account has the correct permissions to upload and manage documents within SharePoint. Microsoft will then ask you to grant permissions to DocuSign. Review the requested permissions carefully and click Accept to authorize the connection. This step allows DocuSign to securely send completed documents to your SharePoint environment. Once authentication is complete, you'll be redirected back to DocuSign. From here, you may be able to configure additional settings, such as selecting the SharePoint site, document library, or specific folder where completed envelopes will be stored. Choose the appropriate location based on your organization structure. After saving your configuration, your Microsoft SharePoint account will now be successfully connected to DocuSign. From this point forward, you can automate document storage and streamline your workflow without manually downloading and re-uploading files. And that's it! You've successfully connected Microsoft SharePoint to DocuSign. This integration is incredibly useful for improving document management, increasing efficiency, and keeping your files organized in one secure place. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.